In a previous video, I showed you an unboxing of the movie meal, Minecraft movie meal from McDonald's, and this one was actually what was inside of it. It was this interesting, nice kind of a soda drink. That's the card for it. And inside here you get this really interesting soda. There is instruction manual and all that. Okay, so now I have a second movie meal, and I'm hoping to get another item here, and this is going to be one of 6. I have one of these. And I think this is pretty difficult to find. I saw that usually you get the other ones is Hamburglar and Creeper, I think. I'm not sure which one it is. So let's see what's next. In my movie meal, I have this Minecraft movie logo, orange juice. Okay, so this is the box here. This is the Minecraft movie box, and this is the box here, Minecraft movie meal. And actually this one wasn't really... Okay, what's inside of it? This is in Cyprus, by the way. This is what we get in Cyprus for this. So you get the straw for your orange juice, which is paper straw. And I will drink some of this orange juice. Okay. Then you have the usual potatoes, and this is a large portion, or a regular size. I think it's a regular or large. By the time this got to me, they are a bit cold, but I didn't order them. I didn't get them on delivery. And then you have the McDonald's logo. Here you have the McDonald's logo, and it's like an M logo. So something like that. Then you get, I don't know why, mayonnaise, if you want it, I guess. And there is this nether flame sauce. 2 of them, extra nether flame sauce. So this should be nice. I like hot sauce. Some paper towels, always need these. Chicken nuggets, and it's 9 chicken nuggets, or I'm not sure. Everything is themed like the Minecraft here. The pixelated display, the design, pixelated design here, rendering nether flame sauce. Okay, so printed in Cyprus. Okay, because we are in Cyprus here, and these are the chicken nuggets, and how many there are. And there are 9 chicken nuggets right here. And then you have the star of the show, the unknown box. So this is the mystery unboxing here. And everything else, this is it. It's an empty box. Before opening this mystery Minecraft box, I want to try to see how the chicken nuggets with the hot sauce are. Okay, it feels a bit light though. I think the weight is important between these, so could be the same actually, I don't know. Okay, let's try the chicken nuggets. Okay, so this is the hot sauce, nether flame sauce. I'll open it up right now. I'm opening this nether plain sauce. Let's see how it smells like. Whoa, smells like Tabasco sauce. Wow. Vinegary and chili. That's really interesting already. So that's a chicken nugget right here. I love the sauce. They should keep this sauce all the time. Wow. This is some kind of Tabasco sauce. Wow. Okay, with the fries. Wow, them on the floor. Oh. I'll try the fries and the sauce. Wow. I really like this sauce. I like spicy food. I don't know what to do with the mayonnaise, but maybe I will eat it later. Okay, so we have where I will put some food away. A bit more orange juice. Actually, if you drink this, you should drink it before this straw gets really squishy, soft. I'll get my... Okay, so this is the box here. It's in multiple languages. I still feel the chili from the sauce. That's hot. That's really nice sauce. It's sealed, so you cannot tell what's inside. You could shake it. You could kind of guess the shape of it. Don't know why I feel like it's the same. It's the same juice. You could kind of tell the size of it. I think when I shake it like this, it's up to here, so it's not too tall. I feel it heavy here. I would really love it. Before I open this, I would really love it if it's the Grimace egg, the purple one. I really love that one, how it looks like. It's so purple and with the really interesting eyes. I would doubt it if it's that one, because I saw someone who gets these and that seems to be a bit difficult to find. We'll see how. Let's see what's inside. I really hope it's the Grimace egg. So I don't want to tear the box too much. That's why I have the pocket knife here, and I was supposed to open this. I guess from here, like that. Something like this. It's a seal, so it shouldn't be too strong. Close the pocket knife always, and I'll open it. Okay, it's open. Now it's the moment of truth. You could also tell from the weight. So if you know the weight of the things you already have, you might be able to tell from the weight, but I don't think they let you check the weight. You just get the item and that's it. I don't know. What do you think it is? I can't tell the color from it. It doesn't seem... I think it's the same. It doesn't seem to be purple. And the shape... It's the same. It's the same. Okay. What's inside here? I got my... It's the same thing. So this could be one technique if you buy this movie meal. It's better to buy them from multiple places if you're looking for to have different items. Because I got exactly the same thing. But if you have two, you could exchange them, I guess. I have two of these now. Don't know. I would like that purple Grimace egg. So this is the card for the new one. The different code. Each card has a unique code, and you can have two players, which one has a card, one code, and another one, another code. So this is an extra code to have. You could exchange this with someone or give it as a gift to someone to have a skin in the Minecraft game. So other than this, I'll put these things back. Keep the cards safe. Keep the toys, use them. And I have the extra nether sauce. Nether flame sauce. I can't believe I got the same thing. These are the ingredients, if you can see. Salsa picante alpe. Yeah. It has sugar. This is with chilies. I wish I had another one, but okay. Another time. Maybe. Let me know in the comment section below if I should try to get another one and maybe I will have a chance to get the Grimace egg or no. Thanks for watching. I have to eat my chicken nuggets.